Hello and welcome to FullStellar, and I'm your host, Misha Flake Shanta, and I'm going to teach you your fourth part of HTML. And this part is actually about tables or towels or what the hell you want to call it. Tables are basically cells where you can put in information like sum up a cat has 41% of piss and a dog has 20% and a rabbit has 40, etc, etc, etc. So what you should actually start with is typing table into here. So open your tag table, and you can set your border to a width. You always need to set the border to width. If you don't do that, it's like an automatic one. It's really not pretty. Just let me make it like that. So what you're going to do is type border is or equals. Sorry, let me make that equals, and put that on 1 so you can actually see it. And close it. Okay, first you're going to make a table row, so a row from left to right, and you close it like that. TR stands for table row. Now TD is a table duplicator, aka a cell. So basically what you're going to do is tag open TD, put in what you want to do, like how dog, and close that one. And the next one, you're gonna put in the price. So it's, let me see, I'm gonna use euro. You can always also use, let's just use dollar. It's $10. Pretty cheap dog, but still. Next, you want a second row, and just make another row. Actually, that's like the basic thing you can always do. And make another table which has cat, and cats are tedious creatures, so they're worth $15. And dog lovers and cat lovers, please don't go fighting over my videos, thank you. Well, that's basically how you can like do that. And if you want to actually have more, like gray, black, white, you can also have it like that. So it has 3 rows, 3 columns in it, so duplicators. And we do also gray, black, white. So if you're going to show this, let's see if I still got this open. Nope, I don't. Oh, Jesus, there's such a wreckage. Go to desktop, HTML, tutorial, index. We didn't save this yet, so it actually still shows us. Oh, it actually does. Well, it shows us like the first thing we did. Which we did is like we make our first row, which is this row basically. And sorry for that Skype message, a friend just Skyped me. This is the second row, and we actually basically build this here too. I'm sorry if you can see a filthy desktop now. And what we did is we put another column to the side of it, and you see the border is actually 1 pixel wide now, or just 1% of the screen it's in mostly. We can also put that as a pixel or as percentage. Mostly use pixels because that's like you can really size it the way you want it. It doesn't like resize if you enlarge the window. But if you have something like a good program language like PHP, you can actually like automate that. But yeah, let's put the border at 0 and look at what happened. No freaking way. It's still like tabled and next to each other, pretty bad next to each other. But you can't see the border because we set that on nil, which is basically pretty cool, isn't it? So if you put that back on 1, you can actually see that there's still that thing. Mostly if you just want to have the prices and you want to have this actually in it, just keep the border on 1 or actually put it on 5 or anything you like. And if you could just see it could bevels a bit, and you see put it on 40. You can like go over our heads with this. It's like even fun. It doesn't even look right, but still it's pretty funny to do. Um, this was basically what I wanted to teach you. This is a short tutorial just to teach you tables, but sorry for the Skype message, and again, and it's basically where I'm going to end it. And yeah, good luck with that, and try to mess around with all the things you learned already, and try to make something out of that. And you can actually show me all the files to say how proud you are, how you already did this, and yeah, let's see if you actually put something off or pull something off. And please don't send me like templates you didn't make, because I know almost all of them. So yeah, see you next time. Hope you actually had fun, and yeah, goodbye.